Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me Aditi, and in today's video I'm going to create this beautiful soft glam makeup look. So I really wanted to create something which is really easy yet so elegant and so beautiful. So this is a look if you are a beginner and you don't really know the techniques in anything about makeup, still you want to look like that put together and so glamorous. I think this is a look you should definitely try. I have used only two or three eyeshadows in this look, and this is so easy. So if you guys want to know that how I created this look and what other products that I use, then please continue watching. But before that, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, and also like this video and share this video with your family and friends. And yeah, with that, let's get started. Alright, so to begin with, I'm gonna apply moisturizer on my face, and for that I'm taking this Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. This contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So I'm gonna lather my skin using this. This is so beautiful moisturizer. This is like literally like gel-like consistency, if you guys can see. This is really nice. So I've got cold today, so if I sound a bit different and odd, please just avoid that. So my skin is now nicely moisturized, and now I'm gonna apply this primer. This is the Miss Claire Studio Perfect Professional Makeup Primer. So this is a silicone based primer. I'm gonna apply this to fill in my pores, and I will apply this right here where I have pores. So, this also helps with any kind of redness. If you have, any redness on your face, this will control that and cover that up as well. And this makes your skin so soft. So lightly, I'm gonna take this all over my face once I'm done covering my pores. So to start my base makeup, I'm firstly taking this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and this is in the shade Pure Beige. So if you guys are following me, then you must know that this is my favorite concealer, and this shade is closest to my skin tone. So I always use this concealer to cancel out any kind of darkness on my face, and that is mostly around my eyes. So I'm firstly gonna apply this on my eyes, on my lid, especially because the inner corner part of my lid is quite dark, so I really need to cover that up. So my dark circles and any kind of darkness that is there on my face is now completely covered. So for foundation, I'm taking these two foundations. The one is from Lakme 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation, and the other one is Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. So I'm gonna mix these two in the equal ratio, and then I'll just start applying that on my face. I absolutely love mixing my foundation. I feel the coverage and the finish is much better when I mix foundations and than to use a single one. So I genuinely mix foundation very often. So to blend the foundation, I'm going to use this part of Beauty Blender. For concealer, I use this tip part. So now I'm using the back part, this part of the Beauty Blender, and then I'll just start applying that on my face directly. I'm really lightly tapping this on my face. You can see I'm not like pushing this and just pressing this, very lightly blending my foundation. My foundation is now completely blended and you can see how nice this is looking. So now to highlight my face, I'm using this concealer. And this is the Maybelline New York Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer, and this is in the shade medium. So I'm going to apply this concealer wherever I want that highlighty effect. So again, I'm going to use the tip of my beauty blender to blend this out. And I'm just gonna blend this concealer right where I have applied it. I'm not gonna take this all over, just where you want that brightness, just blend it right there. You can see that I'm blending this concealer along my nose, so this will, make sure that my nose looks a bit more, longer. So this is the reverse contour. We contour our nose here to use a darker shade. So if you use a lighter shade on this part, so your nose will appear much more slimmer. So once my concealer is nicely blended, I'm going to use this Lakme 925 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact Powder, and this is in the shade Malin Matte. So I'm going to use this powder to set my under eyes and to set my entire face as well. But firstly, I'm going to set, this area around my eyes because this area tends to crease fastest. So you want to make sure that you, set this as soon as you are done applying your concealer. So firstly, I'm just making sure that there is no crease lines, and then I'm gonna take the powder on my beauty blender and just lightly setting this. With powder you really need to be very careful. If you don't apply the enough amount, your concealer starts creasing, and if you apply way too much powder, then the fine lines and all the wrinkles, the powder will emphasize that. So you want to make sure that you apply the right amount of powder. So once my under eyes are set, I'm going to use the same powder and using the blender as well. And I'm going to set my entire face and just tapping that all over my face very, very lightly. You don't want to, move your foundation. So use like very little amount of pressure. So this way your foundation will not budge the whole day. pigment. Again, I'm just following the same step and just building up, tapping the product on the outer corner and then lightly taking that to my crease. So once that is blended, I'm going to take this another eyeshadow palette, and this is the Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette in the shade Nude Awakening. From this palette, I'm going to take this shimmer shade right here, and I'm going to use my finger only to apply this. This is really, really pigmented, you can see. I'm again using the same brush. I have applied the orange shade. I'm just gonna blend the edges. And I'm applying the same shade towards the lash line. So I wanted this look to be very soft, but I just want to add a little bit more drama to this. So I'm just gonna take this dark brown shade right here on a flat brush like this, and I will just apply this here only. I'm gonna use this mascara, and this is the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara. So before I apply mascara, I'm just gonna curl my lashes quickly. So now I'm taking this K Beauty Kajal. Alright, so both my eyes are done, and you can see how beautiful these are looking. So simple and so easy to achieve. And now I'm gonna apply highlighter to complete this look. So for highlighter, I'm taking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder, and this is in the shade Precious Petal. And I'm just gonna highlight, the high points of my face, like my cheekbone. Very lightly applying this. Highlights add like life to the look. I really love applying highlighter. But I want to say, if you have textured skin and you have bumps on your face, just avoid the highlighter, because highlighter is just going to emphasize, that texture, and that is not at all a pleasant look. So if you have very clear and soft skin, highlighter is going to add a beautiful glow to your face, but it is going to ruin your look if you have textured skin and you use a highlighter. So now I'm using the same highlighter to highlight my inner corner, and on my brow bone as well. Last but not the least, I'm gonna apply lipstick. I feel lipstick makes a huge difference. You can, completely change the look with a change in color with your lipstick. If you apply a red lipstick right here, that is going to make you look like super sexy and so beautiful. But if you use a nude, this look is going to look like really different. So lipstick makes a huge difference. Today I'm going to use this Faces Canada lipstick, and this is in the shade Subtle Mauve. So before applying that lipstick, I'm gonna line my lips, and I'm using this Wet n Wild lip liner, and the shade is Chestnut. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look, and you can see how beautiful and glamorous this look is. So, if you guys enjoyed watching this video and like the look, then please like this video as well, and also subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye bye.